Emma.
And I'm Louise.
And we're from Feed the Family, and today we're going to be making some sweet and some savoury pinwheels, which are perfect for picnics. So these are all the ingredients we're going to be using today. So the first thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 200 degrees. So now we've got our oven preheating, we're going to pop our ready rolled puff pastry onto our baking tray. So I've just rolled out our puff pastry flat onto the baking tray. We're going to roll this widthways. Obviously you can do either way, but if we do it this way, there's going to be more of them and they're going to be smaller. So I think it would be better like bite size. So I'm just going to score and cut through the middle, as we're going to be doing half barbecue and half with tomato puree. So we've got our barbecue sauce and our tomato puree, and we're going to pop the barbecue on one side and the tomato puree on the other side.
Let's do it.
So we want a good amount on here, not too much, but obviously not too little. So now we've got our sauces on our pastry, we're going to sprinkle some grated cheese on top. So now we've got our cheese on there, we're going to now add some ham. Our ham and cheese and our sauce on the pastry, we're going to start to roll it. So once we've rolled them, we pop them onto a chopping board to cut into slices. So now I'm going to slice this into about 2 centimetre slices.
So now Emma is slicing them into 2 centimetres, roughly an inch slices. It doesn't matter if you go a little bit over or a little bit under, it's still going to taste good. So as you can see, Emma's leaving quite a big gap between each pinwheel because we're using puff pastry, so it will expand and puff up as it cooks.
That's the plan. So now we've got our pinwheels on our tray, we're going to pop these into the oven and cook them for about 15 minutes.
They smell ready. Should we get them out?
Yeah, I think so. So our pinwheels are looking like they're ready. And we're just going to leave these to cool now as well. So here we have our ham and cheese barbecue pinwheels. If you'd like to join us on Feed the Family, just follow the link below.